Hello my friends from YouTube, welcome back to day number 9. Today we are going to open day number 9 of the Advent boxes. This one is the Missouri Star Quilt, this one is the Stitch Supply Company Advent box, and we're going to open day number 9. So I'm doing this little contest to see which of the two boxes I like the most and which one do we get the most value for our money. So we're going to have like a little game where you can vote to see which one you like the most, and if you want to participate I'll be appreciated, because that way I have an idea of what other people like too, and the companies also have an idea of what we like. My opinion is not the only one that matters, so that's why we're here on YouTube, so that you guys can see and the companies can also see what do you guys like. So this one is day number 9. We're going to open Missouri Star Quilt first because we opened that one last, and we'll see. Oh, by the way, you guys, have you seen my scarf? Guess what? I designed this fabric, and I have a whole bunch of different fabrics for sale that I have designed. I am so excited about it, and different colors. I have this one too that I designed. Look at this pretty design, and I have it in multiple colors, and I have it also in small prints. Like this one is the bigger print, and then I have this one, which is the smaller print. Anyway, let's go ahead and open day number 9. You should check it out. Spoonflower. Actually, I'm going to put a link below so you can go check out my fabrics. Okay. What do we have? This is very useful. I love these things. This is something different. I was not expecting this. I thought it was one of these. Look, I thought it was one of these where you put your little bobbins in. It's not. It's actually better. It has this nice little stiletto and these binder makers, different sizes. I'm always looking for the right one. I have some bigger ones that never seem to fit, and then I have this. They have 4 different sizes. This is actually a very nice thing. Look, it's a kit. My husband just creeped in here. He thinks you guys cannot hear him. Alright, we're going to go ahead and open day number 9 for the Stitch Supply Company. Baby, you want to say hi? You don't like the camera. This is what we got for the Stitch Supply Company. It's a patch, pedal to the metal, and the sewing machine is broken in half because we sew so fast. I'm one of them. So I guess that's like, you can put it on a hat or you can put it somewhere on a bag. It's a patch that you iron on. It's nice, but nothing beats this. This very nice Missouri Star Quilt. Really knocked it out of the park with this one. Well, here you go. It has a chart over here with the size of the instructions on how can we do the folding so the binding can come out how we want it. Like if you want a 1/4 inch, you cut the piece a half an inch. It just tells you all the instructions here. It tells you how to cut it so you can have binding. Very useful tool. This is the kind of things that we should be getting so that because we sew and these are the things we need. So I love it very much. They take the price this day number 9. So I'll see you guys later, day number 10, and don't forget to check out my fabrics on the link below on Spoonflower. Bye. If you'd like to participate in the voting, you can just go here where it says post and scroll down to the date that you watched, and see that one says day 1. Then you select which one you think was the best, that you like the most. That's day number 2, day number 3, and so on and so forth. And just all you have to do is click that little circle right next to the company that you thought had the best value for our money.